What is up, guys? This is my DC5 with the Jace racing kit. I have the Inks Plus One hood. It's a carbon fiber but has been painted. So that's the front bumper with the canards on. Fenders, side skirts. Let's take a look on the rear bumper. Rear bumper. And I have the PCI wing, swan neck one. The rear bumper has a canard too. As you can see, the fitment is pretty good. I have no complaints. It's good. For this part, it looks like it's not good, but it's the thing that I have a collision here that has been repaired. So this one is not bolted because I have to hammer it up, but it's fine. So side skirts, straight like OEM. You just have to put some screws in here. Other than that, it's good. Fender is good too. There's no gap or anything. Let's see. Yeah, front bumper, no complaints. Fitment's good. Canard is good. See, fitment. It's all nice and clean. This one's not bolted as well because I'm gonna remove the kit later. Yep.